So here, this is my website. People ask me one question: how to select multiple keywords in one SEO title for your website? Suppose I upload one video on YouTube. In this video, we're writing for one title: reduce total body and belly fat just in 10 days. Here, in a one single title, we have the multiple keywords are there. Means body fat and belly fat and reduce for belly fat, reduce for body fat. So in this kind of title, how to write on your website? Same video can upload by your website. So when upload any videos on your website or YouTube, each title is preferred by multiple keywords. The title writing for we using for pipe symbol or using for comma for meta description. But first of all, the title is very important. Why people more focus on by first of all title. Second will be focused by your image. Image will prefer by the YouTube. Title will prefer by the search engine for your website. So website most affected by your SEO title selection. In title we can use for multiple keywords. So in this one, reduce totally body and belly fat in your 10 days. In this keyword, first of all I'm selecting here. So I'm selecting for notepad. In this we have totally keywords are there. So this one I'm searching for Google. Click for search. First one, 7 tip to get flat tummy in 7 days. So people searching for how to lose belly fat in 10 days. So select it. Here, how to lose body belly fat in 10 days. Now you can tell me how many keywords are there. So in this title, I can replace for my own title, how to lose your body and belly fat in 10 days. In this, we have totally multiple keywords are there. So people writing for like this in your purpose, loss body fat, loss belly fat, and how to lose body fat, how to lose belly fat and belly fat, body fat. Now, so we can select for one more option is called get flat tummy. So in this any one option is select for burn. We are using for burn also. So this is called burn body fat, burn belly fat. This is your description. This is your description. In this total, we have totally more than 10 keywords are there. First, select your SEO title, copy. Select your website, admin panel. In this admin panel, select your videos. In upload your videos, title selection is very important for the with the multiple keywords. Title selection will be using multiple keywords. Upload title. This is SEO title. Now SEO description and keywords. This will be using for health tip. Upload this video and upload URL. Click for submit. Means we can posting for one single title, but how many keywords? Using multiple keywords. Select your site. Click for videos. Click for health tips. I can see this one. My YouTube title, my website title, both are same, totally different. And when I'm selecting title and previous title, both are different. So already existing title will be there on your search engine. Don't select the same title. Change your title option. So they say for belly fat in 10 days. You can change it for the how to resume belly fat in 10 days. How to burn belly fat in 10 days. Change your option. Burn, loss and reduce. Three will be same option. Loss, burn, reduce. So I'm selecting this option. Here I'm writing for in this. This is called my YouTube. This is called my website. So any video uploaded on your website, your video title and your website title total will be difference. Please note down this example.